Hey guys, it's DJ at Vapor Honing Technologies. We've got a main bearing cap covered in rust, so let's throw it in the vapor honing machine and see if we can clean it up. We're going to use a mix of aluminum oxide and glass bead. The aluminum oxide will get rid of the rust, while the glass bead will polish it up. All right, just cleaned it up. Let's take a look at it up close. Wow. It is polished up pretty nice. The only thing I would say that we need to try is to add some corrosion inhibitor. It's like see some slight flash rusting, but you put that in the machine and blast over it one more time, this thing would be good to go. So if you have any more questions, please give us a call at 828-202-5563 or visit us on the website www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Please like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and follow us on all our social medias. See you next time.